How to download and install Steam in Windows. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can download and install Steam in your Windows 11 computer. So to download Steam, first open any web browser of your choice like Google Chrome, Firefox or Brave. Then go to the search bar and search for Steam download and hit the enter button. Now you will see from the website Steam, the ultimate online gaming platform. So click onto this download option that you see right here. Now from here, it has automatically detected my operating system, that is Windows. I'm going to click onto this install Steam, and here you can see that the file or the setup file has been downloaded. I'll click onto this open button in order to open the Steam file and grant it permission. It says welcome to Steam setup. I'm going to click onto the next and I can choose in my language. Then I will again click on next and then choose the destination folder. So for 446 MB of space is required. So I'm going to continue with my C drive and click onto this install button. And here you can see that the installation has been completed. I can click onto this check mark to run Steam as I click onto this finish option. Now, as you can see, I have clicked onto this finish option. It is currently updating Steam. So once it will download this update, it will also integrate this update with the Steam application itself. And after this is done, I will be able to open Steam. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.